Hey guys, it's Zach, and today I just really wanted to talk to you guys about big data and what are the implications for it with SDGs and SDG goals. So, yeah, just gonna jump right into it. So, what exactly is big data? So, really, like the technical definition of big data is just a large collection of data and just the use of it and helping businesses and individuals make better decisions. So, really, the power lies behind the use of the data. So, the overall collection of it is pretty straightforward in just collecting information or data, but it's actually turning that data into information through analytics and stuff like that. So, who right now is using this big data concept? So, right now, various first world countries across the globe are using this, and companies are using and setting up these types of big data every day. And as well as a lot of governments are starting to implement this within their systems, and just being able to really consume large amounts of data and being able to really turn this into information, whether it be for military purposes, just like social purposes, or just anything and everything, really. So where can we see this being used? So there are three main areas that are really cool to talk about whenever talking about this concept is quality education, affordable and clean energy, industry innovation, and infrastructure. So big data can be used within various education settings. So within education, you can collect material with this, and it can also help leadership make decisions. So whether it be a teacher, whether it be a principal, a superintendent, or just any type of board for educators, we can collect large amounts of data about different resources for helping students, and it can allow teachers to be able to share a lot of information and when associated with a bunch of other different technologies to connect the two. So we have affordable and clean energy, and it's been introduced into this area already. So it's obviously been used for collecting data and also just turning this data for sustainable technology and helping them develop in this field. And so finally, the last one being industry, innovation, and infrastructure. There's a huge volume of data that goes into this, and just being able to allow companies to make better decisions and being able to develop better products, better systems, whatever they're in need of at the moment. So, kind of doing a SWOT analysis of this right now and seeing the different aspects of it. So some of the strengths that lie with it are, like I said before, there's a lot of innovation with it. So there's vast opportunity in various avenues. Weaknesses would be within the reliability of it. There's a lot of security issues with it that rely maybe in some of the encryption and stuff like that. But it can be costly and it takes a lot of technical expertise to run this. There's endless possibilities that come with it, and it allows companies to make wiser decisions, so a lot of more opportunities will rise. And then again, as always, customer trust and media portrayal are two of the biggest things for threats, and then just the unreliability of it since it is a newer thing. So when will this be adopted? So we're looking at within the next 10 years. I mean, companies are already using this and how much data we've already accumulated. And again, some of the barriers can be cost, public trust, and technological expertise. And then with Sweden, we can see this in a lot of different ways. We can see with education, healthcare, and poverty. And just looking at how Sweden is one of the highest educators, there's a lot of innovation there, and just support for industry and providing security for patients, but also allowing for short and long term opportunities to allow for better decisions for relief for this no poverty issue. So, yeah, that'll be it.